Xiaomi is an aggressive player, which is why when it offers a phone that packs in great gaming experience, good chipset, efficient camera, and yet doesn't pinch your pocket, everybody sits up and notices. So today I have with me the Redmi Note 9, and here's all about the fabulous specs it packs. First things first, the design and display of the phone. Well, it's got a vibrant design. I really like this powder blue color at the back of the phone. Perhaps the brand took a cue from its Pro model. It's elegant as far as the design is concerned. The bezels, as you can see, are unbelievably thin, giving you a wholesome experience. The front camera, punch hole camera, is placed on extreme left, and that is to make sure that your viewing experience for watching videos or playing games will not be interrupted. What adds to this large screen is that it's extremely bright even outdoors. I tried it for 2-3 days, and in fact, as far as the packaging of the phone is concerned, as far as the design of the phone is concerned, you can pick 3 colors: aqua green, pebble gray, and arctic white. So all of these colors are fine. This is a lightweight phone. In fact, the placement of my hand, it fits in my palm just well, and in fact it's not very difficult to reach out to buttons. Also on the side there's a power button, volume up and down button, and then you have the fingerprint sensor which is at the back, and it's quite swift as far as the locking and unlocking of the phone is concerned. As far as the display is concerned, as you can see, like I said, it's a massive screen, so obviously the display is going to be massive as well. 6.53-inch full HD IPS display, which is crisp, bright, vivid. The Gorilla Glass 5 protection will ensure protection for your phone, that even if you drop it, it's not going to break, right? So overall, display is also great, and although it's a big phone, it's a massive phone, but it's not very heavy. It's lightweight, and also it's unbelievably thin. Performance. Well, as far as the phone's performance is concerned, let me tell you that it's powered by the powerful MediaTek Helio G8 SoC. Yes, that's a mouthful, but that's equally powerful as well, which is designed to give you a couple of things, and let me break them down for you. One, the GPU installed in this phone is great, and it's great for handling very complex, very huge graphics capabilities without any lag or disturbance. So that chipset will ensure that it functions smoothly. Then the chipset also includes a Hyper Engine. What does that mean? Now that handles your CPU, your GPU, your RAM, and Wi-Fi to enable that the gaming experience is as good as it gets. In pictures, this chipset actually enhances scene detection, and then it also enables best possible AR and AI based experiences as far as the phone is concerned. Now on the software front, you have the MIUI, which is one of the most refined and smooth Android skins around, and that allows you for a lot of customization and theming options, which lets you make the phone your own, which lets you personalize the phone. Well, as far as the camera is concerned, the phone comes with a good quad camera setup at the back, as you can see, kept right in the middle. The 48 megapixel is the primary shooter camera. Then you have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera lens, then a 5 megapixel macro camera, and then you have a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and it's a combination of all of these cameras that actually helps you capture clear, bright, and vibrant pictures. In fact, the best pictures that I got on this phone are these macro and ultra wide pictures. The quality is perfect according to the price point, so don't think at all about the camera capabilities of this phone. In fact, if you want saturated images and you want detail, the phone's camera quality will delight you. So it's definitely a cut above the competition. Now the battery, as far as the battery is concerned, Redmi Note 9 comes with an amazing battery life, because the battery is humongous. It's huge, 5020 mAh battery, and even with the extensive use of the phone, the Redmi Note 9 actually will last you for nearly first half of the second day before actually needing a recharge. So that's great. And then the other plus point that comes with the charging capabilities of this phone is that it's got an 18-watt fast charger which comes in the box itself, the phone box, which nearly takes about 2 hours, actually less than 2 hours to completely charge the phone. So that's great. I think it pretty much covers all the bases, which makes it a good buy. So let me know just in case you decide to buy this phone, and of course we'll be eagerly awaiting your feedback. Stay tuned to the space for more reviews. This is Sumita Karir signing off.